Welcome to the world of UX design. Whether you're here to learn how to design your first app or land a job in UX UI design, you're in the right place. My name is Bashir Sharat and I'm excited to guide you on this journey. Before we dive into the magic of design, let's talk about the tools you will need to get started. First, you will need a laptop. Any computer you have will work. It doesn't need to be fancy as long as it can run some design software. Figma, this is our main design tool. It's free, easy to use, and perfect for beginners. We'll be creating everything from wireframes to full prototypes in Figma. Finally, for communication and collaboration, we'll be using Slack. If you're unfamiliar, don't worry. It's a simple messaging platform that lets us keep in touch and share ideas. The great news, you don't need any experience to start this course. UX design is all about problem solving and creativity, and you will learn the technical skills as we go. Whether you're just starting out or looking to strengthen your skills, you are ready. This course is designed to help you learn by doing. You won't be just watching me work, you will be designing websites and components yourself. Each day you will have a full hands-on challenge where you will get to practice in Figma. By the end of this course, you will have designed a bunch of useful components using the basics of UX design and that you can use in your websites and apps later. Our goal is simple. By the end of this course, you will be able to design clean, user-friendly websites and apps. We'll start with the basics and build up your confidence step by step. Alright, that's a sneak peek of what's to come. Make sure your tools are ready and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive into the world of UX design together. Let's get started.